prepare a presentation for our environmental project.
That sounds interesting. Are you working on it alone?
No, I'm not. I'm working with my classmate.
I see. What are you focusing on this time?
We are design a campaign to reduce plastic waste at the school.
Oh, that's great. I remember you joined a tree planting program last semester.
Yes, that's right. We planted over 100 trees in the park.
Did the trees grow well?
Yes, they did. The local community is still taking care of them.
That's amazing. I'm sure your new campaign will make a big difference.
Thanks, I hope so too. We're learning from us past experience.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!